Hello everyone, myself Dr. Mahesh Kumar and today my lecture on topic Mutra Briddhi Rog, the Ayurvedic aspect of hydrocele. As it is well known that Mutra Briddhi is described in Ayurveda in detail in heads of Briddhi Rog. The detailed description available in Susrut Samhita Nidanasthan chapter 12, Briddhi Ubdan Slipat chapter and in Susrut Chikitsa Sthan chapter 9, Briddhi Chikitsa. The Mutra Briddhi Rog is now correlated as hydrocele of modern medical science disease, and the hydrocele is simply the abnormal accumulation of fluid and or excessive collection of fluid in the layer of tunica vaginalis or tunica vaginalis sac. What are the types of Briddhi Roga? The Briddhi Roga is of 7 types as described by Susrut. The Vagbhat and Madhav Nidan also mentioned the 7 types of Briddhi Roga in their literature. The Charak mentioned the Briddhi Roga in 3 types: Bragna, Mutraj and Medaj. Acharya Susrut mentioned the types in a slok like वात पित्त श्लेष्म शोणित मेदो मूत्रांत्र निमित्तः सप्त वृद्धयः तासाम मूत्र आंत्र निमित्ते वृद्धि वात समुत्थे केवलम उत्पत्तिम हेतुर अन्यतमः. मीन्स दी वृद्धि रोग इज ऑफ 7 टाइप: वातज, पित्तज, कफज, रक्तज, मेदज, मूत्रज, मूत्रांत्र निमित्ते मूत्र वृद्धि एंड आंत्र वृद्धि. In this, the Mutra and Antra Nimitta Briddhi are basically but due to their causative factors, they are known as Mutra Briddhi and the Antra Briddhi. Now, how can define the Briddhi Rog? As per literature, the abdominal cavity के नीचे pelvic cavity में प्रकोपित वातादि दोष, उसमें भी विशेषकर वात दोष, फल या कोष, फल मीन्स वृषण और टेस्टिस एंड कोष मीन्स स्क्रॉटल सैक, मीन्स फल या कोष की जाने वाली धमनी में जाकर फल कोष की वृद्धि करता है, मीन्स टेस्टिकुलर और स्क्रॉटल स्वेलिंग को करता है. फल कोषयोर वृद्धिम जनयति, फल कोषयोर वृद्धिम जनयति. दिस इज द कार्डिनल फीचर ऑफ वृद्धि रोग. वृषण वृद्धि, फल कोष वृद्धि mean are the scrotal swelling as per science. The Charak mentioned the 3 types as Bragna, Mutraj and Medaj and said that Bragno anilader vrishanae swalinger antram nireti pravisne muhoscha. Means they said that the antra vriddhi in which the antra drop down in a scrotal site. And in Mutred Purna Mridu, Mutraj Vriddhi are soft, and Medasas Ched Snigdham Cha Midyat Katinam Sotam. The Medaj Vriddhi are Snigdha Katina swellings. The Susrut mentioned the Vriddhi Purvrupa as features like Basti, Kati, Musk, Medre, Subedana. Basti means urinary bladder, Kati, pelvic bony site, Musk, testis, and Medre, pedis. Means the pain at the basti, kati, musk and midris are the purvrup features. The marut nigra means obstruction in the flatus or adhovat is also a features of purvrup. And finally the phal kosh sophus cheti means the testis and scrotal swelling. So basti, kati, musk, midris, subedana, marut nigra and phal kosh sophus is the Purvrup prodromal features of Briddhi Rogas. Here the main focus of my site is on Mutra Briddhi, that is a type of Briddhi Rog and which is correlated with hydrocele. What are the etiology and clinical feature of Mutra Briddhi as per Ayurveda? Susrut described the etiology as Mutra Sandharan Silasya Mutra Briddhir Bhavati. मीन्स मूत्र का वेग रोकने से या मूत्र को बार बार रोकने से मूत्र वृद्धि रोग होता है। एंड देयर क्लिनिकल फीचर्स आर एज सा गच्छतो अम्ब पूर्ण धृतिर्यो क्षुम्यति मूत्र कृच्छम वेदनाम वृषणयो सौथु कोशयम चापादयति ताम मूत्र वृद्धि विद्यात्। means the clinical features of मूत्र वृद्धि described as सा गच्छतो अम्ब पूर्ण धृतिर्यो क्षुम्यति means हाइड्रोसिल swellings चलते हुए मनुष्य के जलपूर्ण मशक की तरह क्षुभित होता है, क्षोभ उत्पन्न होता है। द स्वेलिंग हैविंग द फ्लक्चुएशन फीचर्स एंड मूत्र कृच्छम फीचर्स ऑफ सम स्कैंटी यूरिनेशंस आर डिफिकल्टी इन यूरिनेशन and vednam vrishdayo means feeling of mild pain or pain at the testicular site. And lastly the sauthu kosayos chapadiyas. Sauthu means swelling and kosayos means the scrotal site, scrotal swelling. So the main feature are the ambupurna dhritiro chumyati mutra krichham vednam vrishdayo and sauthu kosayos cha apadiyat. Swelling, mild pain and fluctuating feelings, these are the features of the मूत्र वृद्धि as per Sushrut. Similarly, the modern science describe the feature of hydrocele are and can be correlated with मूत्र वृद्धि like scrotal swelling may be unilateral or bilateral, have the test transillumination test positive, fluctuation test positive, and the get above the swelling is positive in cases of hydrocele as per modern science. Now, what are the treatment described in Ayurveda for the management of Mutra Vriddhi? They describe that the Mutra Vriddhi or Mutra Vriddhi Mutrajam Soyaditva tu Vastra Pattain Bestet Sevanyah Parsto Adhast Tad Vidyet Brihi Mukhen tu अन्यान्यम द्विमुखाम नाड़ी दत्वा विश्रावेद भिषक मूत्रम नाड़ीम अधोधृत्य स्थगिका बंधम आचरेत शुद्धायाम रोपणम दद्यात वर्जयेत आंत्र हेतुकम. These श्लोक आर वर्स इज मेंशन्ड इन सुश्रुत चिकित्सा स्थान 19:18 श्लोक to 20 श्लोक. And in this the Sushrut mentioned that mutrajam swayaditva. Swayaditva means only swadan or halka swadan. This can be considered as a part of local part preparation while going to do any procedure at the scrotal sites. Now the vastrapat sambandhan means to fix or tighten the local skin so easy to puncture or for vedhan karma. The vedhan karma or puncturing is ब्रीही मुख शस्त्र से सेवनी के पार्श्व में नीचे की ओर वेधन कर्म करना चाहिए. नाउ इफ द पंचरिंग परफॉर्म द ड्रेन द फ्लूइड डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ ट्यूबुलर पाइप व्हिच मेंशन्ड एज द्विमुख नाड़ी इन सुश्रुत संहिता. आफ्टर ड्रेनेज देन अप्लाई मीन्स मूत्रम नाड़ीम अधोधृत्य. फिर देन रिमूव द नाड़ी द्विमुख नाड़ी एंड apply the sthagika bandhan. Sthagika bandhan are indicated in Sushrut Samhita in Mutra Vriddhi Roga. Now treat the wound like clean wounds. Also, if the scrotal swelling is due to Antra Vriddhi or an Antra Hetu, then don't do Vedhan Karma or Vishrama Karma. The Sushrut mentioned the attention and care while doing the surgical procedures in hydrocele or in Mutra Vriddhi, and said that if the swelling in the scrotal is due to the andhra or intestine, then don't perform the Vedhan Karma or Vishraman Karma in that cases. And the method for treatment of hydrocele or Mutra Vriddhi in Sushrut is nearer to tapping method of the modern science of hydrocele management. At the end, the conclusive remarks are that the Mutra Vriddhi is common disease of scrotal site which is described in Ayurveda and is correlated with hydrocele. The clinical features and management are well described in Ayurveda in understandable way, and the method of treatment described by Susrut is likely to typing method of hydrocele of the modern medical science. So in this regard, the etiology, clinical features, method of diagnosis, heart attention should be taken during the surgical procedures, and the typing methods are removal, draining of the fluids from the hydroceles or the sac is described well in Susrut Samhita of Ayurveda. Thanks for your patience listening, and thank you so much. Your queries are welcomes. Thank you.